Okay, we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing some new angle stops here. These are ProFlow's quarter-turn shutoff valves right out of Ferguson. Got one on the hot side, and then you can see put a 3/8 T. It's a compression T to adapt to the dishwasher hose and the existing faucet hose. That's integrated into the new faucet. Faucet was installed by the homeowner. Then over on the cold side, same thing. You've got the cold shutoff valve, quarter-turn, ProFlow. Right out of Ferguson, same thing. So those are our points of connection. What we did do is we took off these old supply lines. Don't use these for anybody that's buying a home. Have them take them out. These drip, leak, they're a problem, and then you end up paying a plumber to come out to fix it. Anyway, so we've removed these. Copper looks like it's in good shape. These have a braided stainless steel teeth in them, these shutoff valves, and they scrape the copper somewhat, so it leaves little grooves in it. Looks like this copper was in pretty good shape, so we've tested it back there. There's no dripping around it. We asked the homeowner monitor this area for any weeping, any signs of water whatsoever, no matter how small. Please give us a call. We'll come back out, take care of it right away. And everything back there looks good. We're going to check it one more time before we shut the light off and the video off to make sure that we're good. So, no water here. No water on the nut for the valve. Same thing on the cold side, no water. Dishwasher hose looks good. And then of course the faucet connectors look good. So got this back in place, got the water heater, the weight for the spray hose, we got this back in place, got the water heater turned back on, water is on to the home. Outside of that, this installation is done.